Is your iPhone feeling sluggish? In this video, we've got the hacks to supercharge its speed and efficiency. Firstly, apps that continuously run in the background may be hogging your data and slowing down your iPhone. To tackle this, start by deleting any apps you no longer use. Simply press and hold the app icon, choose Remove App, and then confirm your decision by tapping on Delete App. Repeat these steps for all unused apps. For a smoother iPhone experience, make sure to tidy up Safari cookies and data. Head over to Settings and tap on Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data, and give it the green light by tapping on Clear History. If your iPhone is still giving you the slow motion effect, it's time to investigate your storage. Navigate to Settings, tap on General, and find iPhone Storage. Identify the storage hogs and offload those apps you rarely use. Keep in mind that this won't touch your documents and data, but will free up some space. Lastly, peek into your device's battery health. Visit Settings, tap on Battery, and go to Battery Health and Charging. If your phone's battery health is on life support, it might be wise to consider a battery replacement. A fresh battery could breathe new life into your iPhone, making it feel as if it were brand new. Hoping these hacks have transformed your sluggish iPhone into a speedy one. Hit that subscribe button and dive into one of these videos, waiting just for you.